Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Aiden Resendiz, coming to you over at Volkswagen Fall River, showing you this beautiful 2023 Volkswagen Golf R 20th Anniversary Edition. Stay tuned, let me show you around. Alrighty guys, follow me around this gorgeous Golf R here. First thing you're going to see is this really nice deep metallic Lapiz blue paint, of course accented by all the Golf R trim. You're going to have these updated LED headlights with that blue trim running through the entire front end of the vehicle here. Gloss black bumper with accents on there. The updated Volkswagen logo. Of course, you're gonna have this LED light bar running completely through here as well. Sensors in the front of the vehicle. Then moving around, you are gonna have these gloss black 19-inch wheels, big ceramic brakes with the blue accents in the caliper as well. The Golf R logo is moving all the way throughout the vehicle. Gloss black caps, side skirt, keyless entry, all four doors. You do have the 20th edition logo built right into the door here. Beautiful rear spoiler here, gloss black, and the accents as well here, as the rear tail lights actually do have a nice Golf logo in there as well. LEDs, backup camera, and sensors all the way around. Let me hop in the inside and actually show you around some of the cool goodies inside this vehicle. All right, one of my favorite things about this vehicle is the interior. Super sleek, elegant, sporty looking. Of course, first thing that pops out to you is this Golf R steering wheel, leather wrapped to get the perforations for a little bit better grip. Of course, blue accents with the R logo and then the blue stitching through as well. Nice big paddle shifters right from the factory here. Gloss black accents on the steering wheel. A lot of different controls here. Heated steering wheel, virtual cockpit here, which is fully adjustable. You actually have the ability to put your navigation in this screen, as well as a few different digital displays. Left side of the steering wheel here, you're going to have your cruise control functions with travel assist, semi-autonomous driving feature, as well as this little R button here, which is a quick access menu to all of your driving modes. Now, this vehicle is equipped with an all-wheel drive 300 horsepower 4-cylinder turbo. A lot of power in this little tiny hatchback. The ability to change all these different driving modes. There's so many of them in here. You actually have the ability to individualize the power to each wheel with this all-wheel drive system. So like you have a drift mode, you have a track mode, different race modes, and then even a custom one, which allows you to select your own settings. Climate control, heated seats, air-conditioned seats. You do have a heated steering wheel as well, as I mentioned before. Fully adjustable climate control system. All the safety features you could imagine on the market here. Blind spot monitoring, front assist, which is your automatic braking system, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, speed limit warning, which will actually pull the road sign displays or the road signs as you're driving and give you the speed limit as you're going through, in case you don't know. And heads-up display, as well as a full ambient lighting package in this vehicle. It is fully customizable. Makes it super easy to adjust if you wanted to make any specific adjustments to the color. But yeah, full spectrum of colors in this vehicle that goes through the climate control, the main screen above the steering wheel, door card, center console. Even the rear seats have the light controls there as well. As we move along, kind of just take a look at this beautiful dashboard, of course paired with the Harman Kardon sound system. Really, really nice through and through. These bucket seats are perforated with little blue accents in the each actual perforation, which is kind of a nice little touch there. Of course, you're going to have the R logo on each seat here, as well as full genuine leather too. Really comfortable for a sport seat. And then you got this nice kind of carbon Going through the interior, wraps through the door cards, gloss black accents throughout, and all updated USB Type-C charging. A couple charging ports, cup holders down here as well. Emergency SOS if you need police, ambulance, roadside, police, ambulance, fire department, and then roadside assistance built right in here as well. Frameless mirror with home link too, so you can pair up a garage door up to 3 if you have 3 garage doors at home. Rain sensing windshield wipers, high beam assist. This thing is fully loaded, as you would imagine in a Golf R. All right, everybody, I hope this video was informative today and showing you around this beautiful 2023 Volkswagen Golf R 20th anniversary edition. If you have any questions or interest in the vehicle, you can reach out to me directly at 774-322-1975. As of today, May 25th, 2023, this car is available sitting here right in our showroom floor. So you can give me a call, shoot me a text, let me know if you're interested. You can also call the store directly and ask for me, Aiden, 508-678-5555. But otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by.